Hey guys, welcome back to FRC. Here's my Total Micro Skyhunter. I put a large motor 4S prop broke mid-flight, destroy the whole frame. I got a replacement frame here. It's a kit, so remove all the electronics, servos off the old Micro Skyhunter. Extend the motor wires to the new ESC. This is a new frame. Now installing electronics to the new frame. Servos. All glue securely in place. Just to be sure. Remember to always install the carbon spar. Installing the tailbone to the horizontal stabilizer. It's a little bit bent, so I'll just bend it back. And install the main wing. Let's go for maiden. Great looking as usual. There was a turbine behind us during the first maiden. Let's just do another flight. Damn. Damn, Micro Skyhunter. Like a what? High-speed plane as usual. That sound from a micro quad.
Oh, 换了 body.
Here we call this trumpet. That kind of sound. Flying. Woo! Yeah. Do some loop. Roll. Woo! Okay, that's all for the video. Hope you enjoy watching it as much as I'm playing it. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!